Hello guys, welcome to the instruction session of the API.AI tutorials for beginner. In this session we will see how to integrate the bot with the Google Action for the Google Assistant and the Google Home. I am already open the integration page. Click on the setting for the Google Action. Make it enable. For Google Action you can select the intent that you want to use. I am using the Kelsey demo only for this. If you want to select the multiple item, then you can select it from that drop down. You can also make this intent as a sign in require. I don't want it, so I am remaining unchecked and click on the SEO button. Because of I am already established the integration on the Google Action previously, so it show me the update button. So click on the SEO. Then it will ask for the view on the console. So click on the visit console. From here we can add the basic detail about the our action, such as what will be the action name and how it will be pronounced. I am writing my app and it will be pronounced like my app. Click on the next. Get the sum of two numbers. Sound will be the male, and copy the description and click on the next and select the image for that. I am selected any image that was available of the size. And select it. Click on the next button. Provide the contact detail. I am writing the my app and the mail at mail.com. And select the category. It will be education and click on the save button. Here we need to provide the link for the privacy. I am copying and pasting the localhost URL here and click on the save button. Our information are updated. Now click on the simulator and write talk to my test app.
Please turn on voice and audio activity, web and app activity, including Chrome browsing history and device information permissions for your Google account at https://myaccount.google.com/activity controls.
Here we need to enable the history and the device permission information. For that we need to copy that URL and open it. And enable the voice and audio activity. You need to enable all of that. And we also need to enable the Chrome browsing history and turn on it. We need to write the talk to my test app.
Sure, let's get the test version of my test app.
Good day.
Now all of the message that we are sent here, it will be redirect to the API.AI. Write the sum of 10 and 20.
Sum of 10 and 20 is 30.
This response was written by the fulfillment to the API.AI and it will transfer it to the Google Action. To submit your application on the Google Analytics, you need to click on the overview from the navigation and scroll down to the bottom and click on the submit for the review button. Let's see what we are learning in this session. First of all, we need to enable the integration on the Google Action and select the intent that you want to use for the Google Action. And we need to open the console. In this example, I am created the test project from the API.AI directory. However, you can also create it from the console.action.google.com. For this, we need to open the console.action.google.com. Click on the import project and select the project that we have created by using the API.AI, and then open the simulator and send the message for that testing. Not that we need to enable the history for the web, Chrome, map, app, and the enable the voice command. If you are disabled, then you will receive the message. To start the conversation, we need to send the talk to your assistant app name. Then we will receive the greetings and send the message that you want to send. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have any doubt, feel free to contact me.